Good morning, tribe. It's your boy, the Option Menace. Today is Wednesday, December 6th, and let's get it. Everyone that knows my trading style knows that I've been trading the Strat. It's awesome. I suggest everyone look at it. It's very organic. Even though on my chart here I have 9 indicators, I have a bunch of crap that I look at that I feel comfortable. But let me tell you, the Strat, I don't need not one indicator. I can look at any chart and just look at what identify actionable signals. We should all know what actionable signals are. Um, there is, it's more defined on the Strat, but you have hammers, you have shooting stars, you have things like that, engulfing candles. um you know uh in the Strat, it's more three that we're looking at actionable signals. The three actionable signals we're looking at is the one bar, which is the probably the most contagious one, that has a lot more explosiveness to it. And that's why I use the indicator, because it just quickly points it out for me. But after that, we're looking for basic stuff like hammers. Big body up top with a little wick at the bottom. That indicates, buying pressure. That potentially can happen if we break. And then also we have shooting stars. Over here, I really don't see any. This is one right here. Shooting star. There's two up bar right here. This is a shooting star. This is beautiful. It's like a dragonfly doji, but shooting star. That's what we're looking for. Okay, on the Strat, it's very organic. It's whatever the chart is saying. This is all price action. This is the 4-hour chart, which I chart off of the 4-hour daily, and I look for these actionable signals using the Strat rules. The strategy. It's amazing. Thank you, Rob Smith. All right, let's get it today. Wednesday, December 6th, I don't have any economic data coming out or anything to disrupt us and have our prices going wonky on us. We have to be mindful that every morning, Juice tries to make sure my man, I got the juice, is my mentor in this, man. So, we're trying to make sure the probabilities is on our side. So right now we have nothing going on, but I have to warn, we have initial jobless claims Thursday, tomorrow at 8:30. So you might see some movement. And then on Friday, we have employment rate at 8:30 also. So that might have something. We don't have any Powell speaking. It looks like this week. I'm trying to see when he's going to talk again. I'll figure that out. It's not happening this week. Maybe sometime next week. For right now, I don't see even next week. So he's going to speak one more time, I believe. Federal Reserve. Maybe he won't talk the rest of the year. I don't know. I have to look on marketwatch.com. That's what I have, and it's very accurate. So today we have no economic data that could screw us up. So the three names I'm looking at today are Apple, Starbucks, and Walmart. For right now, everything seems to be in the right areas that I like them. Okay, so Apple being my first ticker that I like to look at, I'm looking at today, is Apple longs, or getting calls at the break of 193.54, and our risk management is going to be this one bar, 50% of this one bar. So the 50% line of this one bar where we're going to stop out, no ifs, ands, or buts, is 193.12. Okay, if this trade, if we enter to go long, we want it to go up, and it's starting to come back against us, we're out once it hits 193.12. Okay, risk management is the most important thing in trading. If you can't handle risk management, if you can't stop out, if you just like holding on to losers and losing all your money, you will fail. Okay, so this is the biggest part of trading. So for calls on Apple this morning, I'm looking for the break when the market opens of 193.54. Our stop out is 193.12. I have full time frame continuity. That means on the 4-hour it's pointing up, on the daily it's pointing up, on the weekly it's pointing up, on the monthly it's pointing up, and the quarterly is pointing up. So all the buyers are there trying to push this up. Okay, if it breaks if it doesn't break the level and kind of hovers, this is a 1 bar. So if this gets broken, the lower wick of the 1 bar on Apple for our time frame, we're looking for the break of 192.77, and it could be a nice push down, you know. But I'm probably going to go down to the 15-minute time frame and manage my trade that way, where I enter at the 192.77, but now I'm on a lower time frame looking for price targets, strat price targets, also actionable signals possibly to enter a trade if it's moving too fast. You know, I'm still defining everything, getting everything just right, but I pretty much have a hold on how I trade. And the same thing goes for this trade, going with puts or shorting Apple at 192.77. Our stop out is 193.12. It's nice and simple. If it pushes back up and breaks this, that's it. I'm done. I'm getting out of here. You know, it's simple. All right, that's Apple. Let's go to Starbucks. Starbucks is interesting to me. I have a few. I have a trend downwards right now. I kind of wish these wasn't there. I mean, you know, wish, you know, it's not part of trading, even though a lot of us traders do wish. I would get a PMG, pivot machine gun, possibly on the 4-hour, which is a strong momentum move back up, a correction because of all this. But because of these green candles, well, this one right here, it kind of interrupts everything. So it kind of had its own little correction here. It pushed up above this too, this hammer candle, which I like. So right now I'm looking at this hammer candle, and I want a 2-2 reversal, 2 down, 2 up. So this is the 2 down. If it was to break this hammer at 96.18, I'm entering, but I want full time frame continuity. Okay, I would like the 4-hour to be pointing up, the daily definitely to be pointing up. It's also, there's a 1-hour in here too. That's right here. It'll be a 1-hour green, a 4-hour green, and a daily green. Those three in the same direction. I'll take this 96.18 trade calls on Starbucks, and my first price target is 97.48, and my stop out, because risk management is very important, would be 95.52. So I'm looking to go long here because of this actionable signal, this hammer candle, that the break of 96.18 on the 4-hour time frame, and my stop out is 95.52. Okay, and our first price target is 97.48. Okay, that's Starbucks. Walmart, what do we got here? Walmart, we have a 2. It's a 2 bar. What's going on with All right, not digging Walmart. I'm just taking a quick second glance at it. That's why I'm doing these videos. These videos are more so for myself and anyone who's considering trading to go out and find it yourself. Find the strat yourself. Find a strategy that works for you for yourself. I'm down with showing you how to trade the strat. You know, because it's definitely a dope strategy. So right now I don't see anything that entices me. So guess what? Walmart is done. I'm gonna keep it here, but it's off my list. So I only have Apple and Starbucks for today. All right. Walmart, just, I don't like what I see. I do have a hammer here. It is an actionable signal, but it's up top. I like to have a reversal. If it was to go down, if it was a shooting star, with the full time frame continuity, you know, with a shooting star to go down, I would be more inclined. Right now, I'm not feeling this 3-2. This could be a 3-2 reversal play, but oh, by the way, it's above our trigger. Price right now, pre-market, 156. Our trigger to go long would have been 155.85 if I was taking this trade. If this was a 1 bar, and it's at 156.60. So as of right now, this is an invalidated trade, and I wouldn't trade it to begin with. So boom, I'm done. Two tickers, Apple and Starbucks. All right, guys. Quick video this morning. Headed to the gym, and everyone enjoy your day. Okay. The option out. The menace out.